The Taotao's not gonna sit for another month. Oh shoot. Yeah, buddy! Let's go! Pitbike Adventures 16! Let's go, bro! Man, taking these turns wide out here. Oh, yeah! Look at that sun up there. That's looking nice. I was literally messing with my bike before, and I didn't even realize my gas was off. I am literally an idiot. So, yeah, new handlebars on the pit bike. I made a video on that if y'all want to go check it out. I would highly, highly recommend these. Dude, I love the ride now. And we're full sending as always. I think I kind of need to clean out my carburetor. But yeah, we're full sending on this. I would do want to go see the sunset. Dude, this is actually kind of turned into a rut right there. Yeah, my carb's a little but we'll fix that some other time. Oh, there's some birds. And some people walking out here. It actually is kind of muddy out here. It rained over the past 2 days. It's not super muddy, but it's kind of muddy. Let's hit that favorite spot, that bunny hop, you know. Let's go hit up one of our other favorite spots over here. Oh, it's a little sketchy in here. It's like kind of slick. Not gonna lie. Dude, I feel like that jump's got it's even better. Like, I feel like they took their trucks down here and it like made it even better. Seemed a little bit taller than last time. I forgot about this thing over here. So yeah, man, we got stickers coming. Completely just out of nowhere, we have stickers, man. Bataha stickers are coming. So stay tuned for that. I can't wait for those stickers to come in, man. Oh yeah, let's go. These trails are literally my favorite. That sun coming out, man. We better go see that sunrise soon. Yeah. Whew. Or let's go see that sunset. Man, they're framing up these houses. I was out here a month ago. I'm sorry for taking that long, but look at how much they've cleared. They're putting the little they're putting the wood up. So, dude, those are already all, like, some of those are sold in here already. I just saw one back there, it said sold. So, I want to go see that sunrise. There is people over there. That's fine though. Man, we just slipped from second into neutral. But, oh, there's somebody riding their bike. But that was weird. They were all like staring at me. I don't know who those people are, but don't come after me. So I was just talking to the 4 guys up here, bro. We were just straight chilling. Really good sunset. I'll put a picture up. And now we're going back home. Well, this is probably going to be a shorter Pitbike Adventures, but dude, it was a lot of fun just showing up there watching the sunset. I don't really know what else to do. We honestly were like full sending like crazy on all these trails, but yeah, let's full send a little more before we go. It's actually kind of fun because it's dusk. It's still light out, but it's not like all the way dark, you know? So, yeah. Yeah, buddy. All right. Oh shoot. Well, my handlebars aren't very secured. That was actually really bad. They didn't look at me at all. Oh, frick. I forgot they blocked this off. I don't know. Something wrong with my shifter? I hope not. We're gonna check it out when we get home, because those bumps were really bad actually. There's a car. Wave at him. Yes, sir. This is what we like to see. Full sends out here. This is definitely going to be a really short Pitbike Adventures, but yeah, man. This Pitbike Adventures was a lot of fun, and just we were straight chilling most of the time. So I hope y'all like this Pitbike Adventures, and we will be seeing y'all in the next one. We'll get more of these out. I know people really like these, and they're a lot of fun to make too. So we gotta go this way. It's getting too dark. And I'm Bataha, and I will be seeing y'all in the next one for sure. Alright.